What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test 3 extendable pruning saws. There's a bunch of fruit trees that you need to prune and chop up a bunch of branches, but what I'm gonna be using, I have plenty of trees on the driveway with the dead limbs, and I don't want it one day to fall down on my car or on somebody while they're walking by. So this is what I want to use them for. So I got here 3 different kind: Hoyman, HME, pole saw, and everybody's favorite Fiskars. They have the best access in splitting molds, that's for sure. Let's see if they making this sauce just as good. So we'll start with Fiskars because I know you're all excited to see that first. Expands like that and all the way, but first of all you have to open it a little bit, and there's a little holes that you can adjust to make it taller, to make it sideways. I think sideways is going to be the best. And then you spin it up. This is 8 feet. But let's see how it extends. What I want to see is how hard they're going to extend and how well they're going to stay locked. Wow, that's really good. And there is another one right here. Wow, that is really good. Very easy, and now it's really long pull. I love it. It's 8 feet. Then I can close this, lock it, and lock sins very easily. Wow. And it's very small now. If you need to pull up smaller branches like that is on your height, you can still use it and very comfortable. This one is almost like camping one. This is so cool. Check this out. So let's see how it works. It comes off over here. Definitely the blade is a lot smaller. Press it right here, open it. That's a much smaller blade for sure, by a lot. And then you can open it, extends, open it, extends. This is more like 10 foot I think, so it's 2 feet bigger. But they make it in different sizes. Wow, this is a really long pull as well. Very comfortable too. Not too heavy. I like it that it's pretty lightweight. And this side here slides, I'm pretty sure like that. And it locks in. I really like this design. Very high quality and lightweight. And the last one of these. I never heard about it, so I just wanted to put it to the test anyways. Wow, look at that blade. That's interesting. So that way it does not come off. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go somewhere around here, and then we're going to lock everything up. This one is actually a little bit different compared to other ones. It has a rope, and as you can see it has a blade for the smaller sticks. Okay, and this one, what you do, untighten it and tighten it, and it's supposed to hold. Okay, not bad. This one about 6 to 8 feet, but this one is definitely the heaviest. This whole thing goes through somehow. Not the best quality, that's for sure. Oh well. And so when you're putting it into side by side or a small car like this, boom, this is 10 foot, this is 8 feet. It fits really well. But now if you're going to put this non-foldable thing, where do you stick it? You're not gonna be able to drive like that. It's gonna fall off. So you gotta put it through all the way, maybe driving seat right here. And that's annoying as well, driving like that and holding it. So this is why I wanted to show it to you, what option you have. And they are so much better option than this thing. It's too bulky, too annoying. So I'm going to chop off this dead branch before it fell on somebody. I really love this folding. So check this out. Really easy to open it. I need about 10 feet around here. And let's see what happens. Wow, very nice. This is black locust, so it is very dense wood. Probably the hardest wood out here. Ooh, yeah, came up a little bit. No big deal, it's pretty light. I like it so far. I wish the blade was much bigger. There you go. Nothing to eat. I love it. Super lightweight, very durable. The only complaint, I wish the blade was much bigger. But let me show you how thick was the branch and it had no problem anyways. It's pretty thick branch, as you can see. Had no problem. Black locust. Cut it halfway through and then it just broke off because it's pretty dead. It's been dead. That's why I wanted to take it off before I'm hiking over there and it's windy and it hits my head one day. Okay, I have pretty big dead limb over here. I think I'm gonna cut it in half. And this time I'm gonna use Fiskars. Almost there. The only problem with this thing is it's pretty slippery. The Fiskars. I wish they did something. There you go. Big branch came off. And there's one more small one. I feel like only if I could just lift it up. There you go. Hopefully this will finish it off. There you go. There's one more right here. It's pretty dead. I'll chop it off. Trim it up. Again, I should get different gloves so that's why it is not so slippery. The other pole was not so slippery at all. This one, they didn't think of that. But yeah, chopping too really good. I like it. Whoo! Again, Fiskars, pruning saw. I have no complaints. Only one, I wish they would make it less slippery. I'll just need to put different gloves on. These gloves I love, but I have different gloves that is non-slip as well. I love the angle of the saw, so that way I'm cutting when I'm pulling it down, and then when I'm putting forward, I'm relaxing. So this is very effective saw. I like it a lot. Okay, one more pruning saw right here. Not as high quality as the other ones, but we'll see how it does. Yeah, no way. I don't like it. So what happens with this saw, it gets stuck and then it twists a little bit this way. Once it twists, guess what? It just closes then. So I do not like that twisted lucky thing because it's impossible to use. I would definitely stay away for this kind of system because it's just gonna be a headache. Look at it. It just falls off into pieces. And how do you put it back in? You see what I'm saying? Just a headache. Now it does not want to go in all the way, just stuck out like that. So guys, this is the coolest thing ever. Folding pruning saw. It's so in there, it's kind of hard to take it out. There you go. And that way it gets even smaller. Then you can clip it in down here. Boom and boom. Look at this storage size, or you have to put it in the car. You just drop one of this versus this pole. Whoop, still going. Still going, and you attach a saw over here as well. This is about 8 foot and this is 10 foot. So big difference, right? I really love that it takes apart into little pieces. And I feel like this one is actually lighter, and at the same time, because it's square, it kind of doesn't like turn on you. It is more comfortable to use than this one. And this one was very slippery to use. It does not have any kind of handles. This one was very comfortable. Maybe I can invest in a bigger blade, that way it can cut even better. But it was no problem cutting with this smaller blade anyways. It cut through a branch pretty quickly anyways. But yeah, this thing as well, you can actually turn this and fold it like this, and boom, that's what it's going to look like. Again, versus this 8-foot pole. That's insane. You know what? This foldable is a better choice. I wish I knew they exist before I bought one of these, because now I have to be stuck with this thing. Especially when I have to go trim out like a roadway. I have to go all the way down the road with this long pole, and it's really annoying. Or if I need to put it in the car and trim up my, I don't know, my mom's house, clean up a bunch of branches. This is way more compact to stick it in a car. If you have a small car, this thing won't even fit that well. Anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.